everyone. As I sit here in air-conditioned comfort, I'm remembering this was the year we saved up to get a new heat pump and air conditioning system for our house. We went about getting 3 or 4 bids, and after reviewing all of them, we selected one company that we were going to get to replace our air conditioning system. They weren't the most expensive bid, but nor were they the cheapest, but they seemed to be the right price, and so we wrote them an email and said, hey, we're ready to accept your bid and get our air conditioning system put in. We waited a few days and didn't hear back, so sent another email. Again, no response. So picked up the phone and started calling them. Hey, we'd like to buy your air conditioning system and get it installed. No response. Finally, after 4 calls, we finally called them on the 5th time and said, hey, we're trying to give you folks some money, but we can't hear back from you. It's been 10 days since we accepted your bid. In the end, we went with a more expensive company simply because they responded. We called them, told them we were interested in their bid, their proposal. They called us right back, were very responsive to us. And even though we spent a little more money than we wanted to, we found that we had a partner that we could trust. As you go into your weekend, you're going to have customers in and out of your store. Trust me, your customers today have lots of options, lots of alternatives, but they've taken the time to come into your store, walk into your door, and are looking around. They have options and they have alternatives. It's your responsibility to make sure that they know that you know that. You should be enthused. You should be confident. You should be curious about what brought them in, about what that connection is, so that when they engage with you, they recognize you're happy they're there and you really want to be the best option. Go into this weekend making sure you are the #1 option for your customer.